Going through my documentation, I kept coming across something about a Singer heater. Bathroom heater looks like this. This is a Singer bathroom heater. There's one here. And then there's one in the aft stateroom. One of the problems I had was I had no idea where the blasted switches were for it, the power switches. The controls were on them, they worked, but they didn't put out any heat. So I figured they were dead, unplugged or something. Well, working away, I was working on my, kind of dark around here, I was working on my wire issue of where is this and what does it go to? So it's down there, and its piece was right here, which goes to two thingies. So trying to track that down is going to be a treat. Well, I just happened to notice this was warm. And I went, wow, that's a big wire for that. That's a big wire. And so I go, well, let's flip it off. Behind me, the Singer heat in the aft stateroom. Isn't that gross? Whew. That is nasty looking. There it is. There it is. It turned off, as it just did when I flipped the switch. When I flip the switch back on, it starts running again. You know, whoa, this is fascinating. So it solved the mystery of the aft power switch. So now I knew where the aft one was, and I had to play around. I figured somewhere in here it's going to, flipping one of these is going to make the front one stop. So it was this one, it wasn't that one, it was this one. I don't know what that goes to yet. So now they're labeled. And now I know what they're for. Label, label, label. Next step is all of these are going to receive labels. So I know what's what when I'm in the back of this. Because I hate having to switch a view, especially if I have my hand in something. So with this labeled, life will be easier. We have is this mess. Let's get that out. That goes down somewhere there. And we're going to follow wherever its partner went, which is, okay, there's the, oh, here's the partner. Okay. Whoa. So these come in and go away. See, these come in the bundle and go back to the bundle. That is going to take more troubleshooting. Okay, so for these two, let's just splice them. Oh, this thing's swinging in and out. Splicing is fairly easy. See, that's all crap. Cut back here. Need to strip that. Where's my dikes? Okay. I'm going to strip more than I need to strip. Got to keep my hand away from that thing. That's hot. That'll give me a jolt, which I don't want. that's good. Okay, there we go. What I'm looking for is any sign of burn or problems down in there. Where'd you go? Run away from me. There you are. Okay. See, that doesn't show any signs of heat damage. So I'll clean that up. Okay, and then the other one, cut back where I thought I had a tool here. I thought I had an actual stripping tool, but let me look up here. Two is clean. Yep. So, I need to do, because that's shortened, and I don't like shortened. That's been damaged. Let's add that much. Okay. And again, if you don't feel comfortable doing this, don't do it. But I would say you should get used to it and learn how to do it, because it'll save you a lot of money. And if you're somewhere offshore, something happens, at least you have a way of fixing things. And what I do, I circle just to cut the insulation all the way around. See, I'm going a much larger wire. It's a 14 to a 12. Time to power. I will. Okay, that was too long. About too long. Ow! Did that again. I'm not used to this long tool. Yeah, no blood so far. Now, okay, now let's put it in the street. size on this one, which is 12, and this is a 14. Yeah, that is wrong.